Guys, up to New York issued a river flood warning for Saddle River near Lodi. And yeah, it says river flood warning. Let's go. Come on, the radio. It's raining a lot outside, and we're gonna get ready.
Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks.
Oh, and by the way, it says the Mesoscape is oh, it's going off. There you go, guys. Cover the speaker. Oh, what the heck? Yeah.
Flood warning in effect until 3:30 p.m. this afternoon.
Let's go, baby. Area flood warning.
Southeast Pennsylvania.
Let's go. Yeah, baby.
When until 3:30
Let's
p.m.
go.
Impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 11:21 a.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain.
Yeah, baby.
Flooding is ongoing or
Let's
expected
go.
to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that may experience flooding include
Let's
Philadelphia,
go.
Westchester, Ewing, Norristown, Pottstown, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Coatesville, Princeton, and Westtown. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Is it going to be a doubleheader because they issued a river flood warning? Oh, yes! Now we're going to wait for this one to go up. Let's go!
Flood warning in effect from this afternoon to just after midnight tonight.
Yes, sir. River flood warning
Minor
now.
flooding is forecast.
Let's go, baby.
Where? Saddle River near Lodi. When? From this afternoon to just after midnight tonight.
Why are you not going on?
Additional details. At 10:30 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 3.2 feet. Bankfull stage is 5.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon to a crest of 6.6 feet this evening. It will then fall
Yes,
below
sir.
flood
Let's
stage
go.
just after midnight tonight. Flood stage
And
is
you went off.
5.5 feet. Flood history. This crest compares
Yeah,
to
baby.
the previous crest of 6.6 feet on June 19, 1972.
Wow. That's crazy. Okay.
Flood watch remains in effect through Sunday morning.
Let's go.
Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? Portions of Delaware, including the following areas: Delaware beaches.
Okay, so apparently you didn't go off. That's weird.
Coastal Ocean.
That's weird how you didn't go off.
Western Burlington.
Like,
When? Through Sunday morning. Impact.
let's go.